morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's the 25th of April, AT day 79, and we're just coming off the zero at Four Pines Hostel. We have a 9.6 mile walk to McAfee Knob this morning, and then we're heading to a shelter about 6 miles past that, so about 15 and a half mile day today. We did dodge a lot of rain yesterday by staying at the hostel, so we're happy about that. We stayed dry. Today is, although it looks overcast, this is supposed to blow over, and there's some blue skies out there, so it's shaping up to be a nice day, and it should be a good day of hiking. See you down the trail.
See you.
That's McAfee Knob in the distance there. So we bumped into a ridge runner, and it turns out that McAfee Knob is in national park land. So the NPS owns the land from pretty much north of Dragon Tooth up past Daleville. So it's actually against the law to fly the drone at McAfee Knob. And it was a little too windy, so we couldn't really get a good drone flight there anyway, even if we were allowed to. So we were really looking forward to flying the drone there, and we didn't find out it was NPS land until we bumped into those people. So good thing we did. Otherwise, you probably would have gotten in trouble or something for flying the drone up there. All right, 16.4 mile day today. We ended our hike right here where you see us at Lambert's Meadow shelter. And we started all the way over here by, see if I can find it. There we go, Four Pines Hostel. After leaving Four Pines Hostel, we kind of walked down the road there, and you immediately go uphill. See those switchbacks, but it's not that bad. And across the meadows, and it was pretty much ridge walking all the way. And you hit this parking lot right here for McAfee Knob, and it was jam-packed, so we thought it was going to be really crowded on McAfee Knob. We stopped here thinking we needed to get some water, but we ended up continuing on to Catawba Mountain Shelter, where we got some water just outside the shelter. There's a small creek, and then went up to McAfee Knob. Wasn't as crowded as we thought, but and also the climb up to McAfee Knob is not as bad as we thought it would be. We looked at the elevation profiles and it looked pretty bad, but turns out it wasn't bad at all. After that, we came down the backside of McAfee Knob and followed the ridge line. And before you get to the cliffs, right about here, you start your uphill, and it's a pretty serious uphill. And then you get to Tinker Cliffs, and there's a really cool section of the trail that walks along the side of the cliffs, and you can see down in this Catawba Valley really well. I'm not really sure if that's what the valley's called, but anyway, from the cliffs, it's an easy walk down to the shelter where we met up with Nails and Denim Dan again.